Baby, we have the t-shirts back in stock, my darlings. What is delayed is not denied. We have it in blue. Since you loved it so very much indeed, my darlings, you better go ahead and get your t-shirt before it sells out, because I just might go ahead and do a yellow t-shirt for you and an orange t-shirt. You have to bear in mind, Baby Girl is a small brand. We are self-funding here, so I can only do so much. But yes, the t-shirt is back and I am living and loving. I also have a surprise for you. Yes. You asked and I said, why not? We have brought the black t-shirt back. What is delayed is not denied. Are we living and loving? Oh! Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we, baby? Some of you have said, Fumi, we want to see what you are wearing. You should bring that back. So I said, well, why not? Today I'm wearing H&M. I absolutely love this. And more than anything, I really love the bottom of these pants. Maybe I should just drag it up so that you can see. Just look fabulous when you wear sexy high heel. It looks absolutely fabulous. I live and love. Very simple, very cool. And then this is the back of it. So it's a lovely nice set, and it wasn't expensive, from H&M. So why are we here, my darlings? I'll tell you why we are here. We have a married judge accused of having loud cookies in court. The deputy chief staff heard. Everything was heard through the walls. Yep. So here we have the TTT. Married judge accused of having loud cookies in court with deputy chief. Staff heard everything through the walls. U.S. District Judge Eleanor Ross of the Northern District of Georgia was privately reprimanded by the 11th Circuit after a judicial misconduct investigation found she engaged in a 2-year extramarital affair with Atlanta Police Department Deputy Chief Kelly Collier. The encounters took place in her courthouse chambers during business hours between 2023 and 2025, with court staff and law clerks reporting they could clearly hear moans, kissing sounds, and other intimate noises through the walls. Wow. Creating a deeply uncomfortable workplace environment. Both Ross and Collier are married, and the relationship raised serious conflict of interest concerns, given Collier's prominent law enforcement role. The judge initially denied the allegations before admitting them when confronted with the evidence such as visitor logs and security footage. Wow.
A judge and a high-ranking Atlanta police official are at the center of explosive allegations.
It involves sexual encounters inside the judge's chambers during work hours.
Judge had sex on at least 5 occasions over a 2-year period inside her chambers with a high-ranking police officer. Employees interviewed during the investigation described multiple incidents where they allegedly heard people having sex through the walls. One court clerk testified to hearing what was described as unsettling noises, kissing, and music coming from the judge's chambers. Why should the everyday person care about these allegations?
The American legal system depends on honesty and truthfulness.
This investigative report did not identify the judge or the officer, but multiple sources confirmed to Channel 2 that federal judge Eleanor Ross and Atlanta Police Deputy Chief Kelly Collier were the two accused. I reached out to Ross, but a representative responded with no comment. The chief judge has already issued Ross a private reprimand, and she agreed to write apology letters to her employee.
How embarrassing. Judge Eleanor Ross and Deputy Police Collier. How embarrassing for the two of you. And how humiliating for your partners. You have a prestigious position, a wonderful career, but a prestigious position where you are looked up to, where you're supposed to hold a decorum and honesty and eliminate deceit. And here you are having encounters where you could have gone somewhere else if that be the case. Get a hotel, get a motel. But for you to do that, you deserve this humiliation and embarrassment. And your children are going to be embarrassed by this. You don't think things through. You just throw away your relationships for what and for why? For a little bit of tickle and fancy. Because you see, you get to meet these love encounters when they're perfect. You see, your husband is there paying the bills, getting up in the morning, running for work, making food for the children, doing the lawn, the garden. You get into your arguments. It gets a bit tiresome. It gets a bit bored. It gets a little bit routine. So all of a sudden, something flashy and new. Oh, he must be perfect. And then you have all of these ideologies in your head that he's wonderful in the home and this, and I should have married him and da-da-da-da, whatever. You don't want to really sit back and face real life. And yet, this is you making decisions, real life decisions for people whose lives are in your hands. Make it make sense. Why would you do something so stupid like that? What's wrong with you people? Really and truly. And you are people of color. I'm going to call it like it is. Because we are held at a different standard. Because we are held what? At a different standard. You have to respect yourself. Your name is the name of your children and of your husband and of your father and of the generation behind you. You stand for something. Don't fall for anything. Do not be weak. Do not be tempted. Go on your knees and pray and say, let this leave me, please. I am tempted. Or have the fantasy in your head and that's it. That's it. What a disgrace. What an embarrassment. Why? In your chambers. Oh no. No. Absolutely not. You have to apologize to everybody who was succumbed to such disgusting behavior from the two of you. And you know what? Maybe you should be kind of sort of disbarred. Maybe. I'm just throwing it out there. It's embarrassing. As a woman, where, again, like I said, you are making lifelong decisions for a lot of people. You are reprimanding them for things that they should know better of. And here you are, a married woman who has promised that I will love and only love you. You go at the place of work. It's not as if to say you're coming in late or you're eating snacks or you have your feet at the table and you're watching TV or you're hanging around with your colleagues. You brought another man that's not your husband to embrace carnal knowledge. Correct me if I'm wrong. Where is your common sense? Where is your reasoning? Do I want to throw all of this away? Do I want to throw my life away? Do I want to throw the respect of my peers and my colleagues and my subordinates away? Well, you've already done that. You throw everything away for a man who is not prepared to leave you and marry you. Because why? There are lots of offenses here. That you're cheating on your husband. You're a liar. You're a liar. A judge that's a liar. Do you see what I'm saying? Doesn't sit well with me. Because then you see, it opens to the kind of character you have. What else are you using your job title for? And it might be nothing. But the mere fact that you have shown me that you have no class, you have no decorum, you have no discipline, speaks volumes. And that's why it's a shame. Very, very, very disappointed. Ladies, because you send me the DMs, why do I do these stories? I do these stories for women that come to me in the DMs. Fumi, I'm not in love with my husband anymore. Fumi, I'm seeing somebody on the side. Stand up with integrity. If you're not in love with your husband anymore, if you don't want to be in a relationship anymore, tell him. Tell him, and know that the repercussions are also going to affect you. Because you see, when you have a family unit, you have a money unit, you have a unified unit for the children, do know that those children are going to have 2 homes. Do know that all of that is going to be split in half. Do know that it's going to be a hard time. Do know that this guy that you want to do it with just might not want to stand with you all the way through and say, you know what, okay, I'm going to take you on as a responsibility. Think it through and never stay because it's comfortable. Stay because of integrity. If you feel that you have grown out of this relationship, that's all fine and dandy. Go right ahead and go about your businesses. Not a problem. But don't go and start lying and sneaking and running around to be doing nonsense like this. Loud, carnal knowledge and noises and music. Where do you think you are? You cannot even do that at your place of work. But you that is in the position, supposed to be the leader, this is the horse and pony show that you are doing, and then you look and you want respect. No, that's a heart smoking mess. It's a what? It's a heart smoking mess. Darlings, do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll see you what? I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love. Mwah. Coming in hot with the Juvia's Place Blushed Duos, darling, for that transition blurred blush. Put it underneath your eyes. From there you go onto the apples of your cheeks, and it is so gorgeous, it's so gentle on you. And then you go in with the deeper shade, and this is where the magic comes. You bring this all the way up to the temples of your face. It's like a mini facelift. I absolutely live and love. Darlings, you have to grab it. You have to have it. You can use it on your eyes as well. Put a little bit of Juvia's highlighter. Then you go in with the Juvia's setting spray. Keep that all day glamorous, from work to dinner to drinks. Darling, you are the epitome of glamour. Thank you, Juvia's Place. The duos are a what? They're a must-have. Mwah.
Guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking here.
Thank you so much, my beautiful Fumi Nation. Here I have a message from Grace Geraldgan. Hi Auntie, I live and love your content from Spain. Since you enjoy personal development, I thought the themes in my latest book might resonate with you. I just value your thoughts when you read it. Thank you. Oh, Grace from Grace. Live better. 25 truths you need to know for a serene and authentic life. This is beautiful. It's the kind of stuff that I'll just read at the beach when I go on vacation this year. I absolutely appreciate you, my darling. Thank you so very much indeed. Mwah. This is another beautiful book. Just look at the packaging. I love it. I love it. I love it. You have seen. And this is from Sincerely Melly Hoy. Have you ever felt unseen, ignored, or forgotten? I love it. I absolutely love it. And it's a notebook, guys. Look. This is so lovely. Where you can write down your thoughts. It's always very important. I do that as well. And then look, so that you know. And here we are again. And she has also a lovely letter for me. Thank you so much, my darlings. if you don't mind, print them so that I can read it, because sometimes I can't read your writing, but I appreciate you. Thank you, darling. This is yet another beautiful book from Merle Hoy. Just look. Believe 14 days of devotions and prayers. I love this. I absolutely love this. Oh, thank you, baby. Another wonderful one, Thinking of You. Just look at the card and wonderful message that she has in here. Absolutely live and love. I'm going to cover this letter because it has her details, and she's a cancer survivor. God bless you, my darling. And look, Veronica Carter, Still Diana, A Poet's Perspective. I love Princess Diana. I loved her story, and so she sent me this book, and then she sent one for Christina, so I'll give that to Christina. Thank you, my darlings. God bless you. I deeply appreciate it. So beautiful. And then we have Welcome to Bloom and Bond, fam. And these are, look, pumpkin seed oil with saw palmetto. Thank you for sending them to me. I'm going to try them out, guys, and I will let you know. Okay, share your success, get 25% off. That's it, my darlings. I like to promote businesses, brands. I love to do that, so send me everything. Nothing for me, but for you, you know, to promote your businesses, to promote your brands. Absolutely. And your YouTube channels as well, okay? I love you guys. Thank you. Mwah. My all-time favorite letter. Thank you, my darling. She was so happy to come for the meet and greet that we had in New York. And she's lost so much weight. Sabrina, I'm proud of you. And she would love for me to do like wardrobe styling, you know, for her new body. But I wanted to show you the back of the letter. Is this not amazing? And then I'm hiding her dress, but I just love this. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much, Sabrina. And of course, I love you and I'll do anything for you. Fumi Nation, let me know and I'll get you some styling outfits, how to dress up. Send me all of your stuff and I will always promote it. Love you.